Tired of stubborn stains? We're ranking 5 top carpet cleaners today, and the best one is saved for last. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This compact powerhouse uses HydroSteam technology for up to 50% better cleaning on tough, oily stains across multiple surfaces like carpet, upholstery, and even sneakers. It boasts 3 distinct cleaning modes and effectively uses the PET PRO OXY formula for permanent stain removal. Upholstery dries fast, about 30 minutes, getting you back to clean, dry furniture quicker. Its dual-tank system is easy to use, and your purchase helps save pets. While praised for its reliable design and great set of features, remember to check current pricing and customer reviews for the latest user feedback. It's best for buyers prioritizing specific technical details and multi-surface versatility. Moving up to number 4, we have the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution PET Pro Plus Upright Deep Cleaner. This machine is a professional-grade solution specifically engineered for the toughest pet messes. It features a clean-shot pre-treater for targeted stain removal and offers both a powerful max clean mode and an express clean mode that dries carpets in about 30 minutes. A standout is the Fresh Start Dirt Tank, which, along with antimicrobial brush rolls, helps prevent odors and keeps the machine fresh. Its dual dirt lifter power brushes provide intense scrubbing action, easily accessed with a removable cover. An 8-foot hose and specialized tools extend its reach to upholstery and pet beds. Reliable design and comprehensive pet-specific features make this a strong contender, but always verify current prices and read customer feedback for the latest insights. It's an ideal option for those seeking robust pet-specific cleaning. Coming in at number 3 is the Hoover SmartWash Plus Automatic Carpet Cleaner Machine. This machine takes the guesswork out of carpet cleaning with its intuitive automatic technology. Simply push forward to clean and pull back to dry. The auto-clean motion-sensing design ensures optimal performance, while the auto-mix feature precisely dispenses solution for efficient cleaning. Its auto-dry function, coupled with heat force technology, delivers powerful extraction for significantly faster drying times. The FlexForce power brushes are designed to gently yet effectively remove deep dirt, debris, and stubborn pet messes. Maintenance is simplified with a one-step removable nozzle for easy brush cleaning. It also comes with a comprehensive set of accessories. Known for its reliable design and great features, this Hoover model is best for buyers prioritizing technical details and ease of use. As always, compare prices and check customer reviews for the best deal and insights. Next up, at number 2, we have the Uwant Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner. This machine stands out with its impressive 18 kilopascals powerful suction, a 50% improvement over 15 kilopascals models, ensuring deeper cleaning and faster drying without lingering odors. It's truly versatile, going beyond carpets to effectively clean furniture, car interiors, pet beds, and mattresses. Uwant also offers a self-developed PET Pro solution, which boosts cleaning efficiency by 60%, and comes with a convenient spray bottle for direct application on stains, a huge benefit for pet owners. The innovative 2-in-1 water tank design simplifies refilling and emptying, allowing for one-handed operation. The package includes various essential accessories like multiple brush heads and cleaning solution. Its compact size makes it easy to store. While it offers a reliable design and strong feature set for technical detail-oriented buyers, it's wise to check current prices and recent customer feedback. And finally, our top pick at number 1 is the Dirt Devil Full-Size Carpet Cleaner Machine. This lightweight shampooer truly excels in combining powerful performance with incredible user-friendliness, making carpet cleaning simpler than ever. It features powerful extraction that effortlessly lifts away even the toughest dirt and stains, complemented by a specialized pet stain removal solution designed to break down odors and messes effectively. The brush roll not only resists odor-causing bacteria, but is also highly effective at loosening and lifting stubborn grime. For quick refreshes, its quick clean mode allows carpets to dry in as little as 30 minutes, using less water and formula. Cleaning up the machine itself is a breeze, with easily removable, rinsable water tanks. The Dirt Devil offers 2 cleaning modes, a quick refresh, or a deep, renewing clean, giving you flexibility. Its lightweight design and straightforward features make it an outstanding choice. This cleaner stands out for its strong balance of power, ease of use, and effective pet-specific features, offering fantastic value without making any absolute claims. It's a superb option for buyers who appreciate a reliable design and robust feature set. That wraps up our detailed comparison of the best carpet and upholstery cleaners. I hope this helps you make an informed decision. All Amazon affiliate links are in the description below, where you can find the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.